everybody! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mag-video tayo, maglagay ng hangin sa ating sasakyan. Hindi ko sasakyan ng aking brother. Kasi nandun sa shop yung sasakyan ko. Magpa-change the quarter sa loob ng gas station. Super lamig. Super lamig. Grabe yung lamig. Can I have $4 quarters?
$4 for quarters for what?
For the air.
You need $3.
I know, but I already have $2.
Oh, so
here.
you need twice?
Yeah.
Wow.
It takes time.
What a bad day to need air.
Oh my God, I hate
So
it.
cold. Well, not as cold as yesterday.
Tomorrow it's gonna get cold. They said tomorrow night.
Rain and stuff. Right?
Is it true that it's gonna be 2 to 6 inches?
Someone was talking about 5 inches. I know it's like depending where it falls. You know what? Just plain the statement.
I know.
I gotta be at work.
That's why I don't like to work. While driving. Going to work and drive.
Yeah. She had to work today, tomorrow, Saturday.
Happy Thanksgiving, though.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Are you cooking turkey today?
Oh, my friend I just go to her house.
Good for
Yeah,
you.
that's right.
Okay, thank you so much.
You have a great day.
You too. Today is Thanksgiving. I'm gonna have to put gas. I mean, not gas. Air. I'm gonna have $3. Kailangan ko mag-prepare ng $6 for sure na maganda dito sa gasoline station na to kasi meron silang lagyanan ng malaman natin kung ilang air ang lalagyan natin. That's $3. ni gahi akong kamot. Oh. Oh my God. I need heat. Pinagay akong kamot. Kiti akong kamot. Grabe yung katugnaw ginoo ko. Shop akong sakinan, Monday pa nila ayuhon. Kaya Thanksgiving karon at sa holiday. So yun ang life dito sa US, guys. Ikaw maglagay ng gas kung kailangan ng air yung yung mga gulong, ikaw din ang gagawa. Mag-vacuum sa loob, maglinis. Meron ding automatic, pero kung ayaw mo mag-spend so much, merong vacuum na ikaw magba-vacuum sa loob ng sasakyan, ikaw maglinis sa labas. Yun ang buhay dito. Self-serve. Yun. Kaya, ngayon, I have to drive to work. Ang hirap, guys, pag malamig. Grabe lang, dahil bid akong kamot. So, yun lang, guys. It's a short video. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. Happy Thanksgiving!